Hi everyone, today we're going to be sharing with you our concept for a mask. We're going to introduce our team to you guys.
I'm Musa Haddad, and I'm currently a junior specializing in mechanical devices and bioengineering, and I'm currently at the University of Maryland.
I'm Snigdha. I'm a sophomore in bioengineering, specializing in biomedical devices, and I study at Case Western Reserve University.
And I'm the little boss. I am a senior in the bioengineering program in signals and systems at George Mason University. So the need behind our mask was really based off of survey results. So Musa conducted a survey, and an important aspect that everyone was discussing or asked for was comfort, whether it was comfort in the temperature aspect or the ear discomfort, breathing. 100% of participants, they all wanted it to be protective. Fashion was the next one up. Price of masks, we also wanted to take that into consideration. The issue with the current mask designs is they have really pretty masks that don't really protect you at all. They don't have a slip for you to slip in a filter, and even if they do have a slip in the filter, sometimes that isn't ideal either. You'll come back home and your filter will slide down your nose. And the current ones that people have come up with in order to combat protection and breathability or comfort are the ones we actually show you over here. The face shield, the cheaper ones that are more easily available to everyone, they're not very protective. The shield ends where your eyebrows kind of end, so that's not really protecting you from any particles coming in from the side. And one that I've seen way too often actually is they use bike masks. They're not really doing anything for protection. So we wanted to come up with a design that was going to fix all those problems.
With that being said, I present to you TuoXian. It's actually a Chinese word that means to escape danger or to rescue.
The product will have an intricate design with folds, which will make it more comfortable. We've taken inspiration for the design from origami. Owing to the unique way the folds will sit on your face, the mask will solve the problem of it being uncomfortable, excessive sweating, and difficulty breathing. We will also have a wire which will go over the nose, which will help prevent fogging up of glasses. The mask will have two different variations, one with strings that can be tied behind the head and another with strings that go behind the ears.
So here we see our 3D model that we have made. On the right side is a model that we have used. Bottom left side and the bottom right side, we see the filter that we've used, the polypropylene that we use, and on the top side with the person wearing it, that's basically used to make it look good, so that we put the filter, the bottom left, behind that specific fabric, the cost of our masks. And so in order to figure that out, we need to know the materials we used, and the first material we used was the polypropylene fabric. And the reason why we chose this specific fabric is because of its ability to be efficient in protecting from particles and bacteria to enter the mask. And we have different journals found at the bottom that also prove that. So a lot of times when people wear masks, you see them move the mask down to their neck, which has been exposed. And so having the ability for it to fold in a specific manner we see in the slides before allows us to keep that area sterile. We also use hot glue to allow that to happen because it's a cheaper option compared to sewing it. Total price of a single mask ended up being 49.1 cents. The future of this mask, to mass scale it, is first to be able to test it to see how efficient it is to protect us from any particles, to distribute to friends and family for input that would like to start up a website. We'd also like to file paperwork to get a patent for a specific design. We will need some investors to invest in our company. Finally, in order to market this, 10 different clothing and mask expos.
We were able to come up with a mask design that keeps people safe, makes them feel comfortable, and is aesthetically pleasing.
So stay safe and buy TuoXian.